behind that one. Damn it. There's a bunch of them back here. Yeah. Yeah, then we get Harley for his jacket. That's fine. Okay.
Alright. What is in that funky box?
That was heavier than the fender.
Pork tubes? That's too shaped funny.
That'd be too easy if I did that. I'd have the whole front end of that fucking pad in.
Yeah.
I don't think so. Who knows? I don't remember. It's just been stacking up here for a while. I never remember what I buy anyway. Fender.
Blue.
More stuff. 57.
Oh, yeah. I remember seeing pictures of this bike.
First good part we got in a while.
What the heck is that?
That is a brand new military surplus 45 gear, probably low. So if you can read what it says in the year, it should say low gear and 41 dash number on it.
Fancy.
Here's where we got the motor mount hardware.
Yeah.
See, it's made out of real metal.
Yeah.
Not that aluminum crap. So that's K model in early Sportster, which all that stuff is early Sportster we got over there. That's good one. See, the little ones are up over there. See?
Oh, yeah.
Those are 62 as I recall. So that's 61 on back. And we were determined that was a 57 or 58 bike, probably 58 we're thinking.
Yeah.
Brake cross shaft. Looks like powder coat almost. A lot of miles on that shaft. That's got some mileage on that thing. xlch.
Handlebar.
That's forward facing ones. Yeah, this one's a 67 and later because it's electric start. No magneto. So this is not a CH bar, it's XLH bar. Usually XLH has like a dresser bike, it pulled back quite a bit. Brand new, but it's, you know, shelf rust. So it's got your horn button and your high-low switch here. But this is a forward bar, so, but it's for an automatic advanced distributor, so it's going to be XL or XLH. It's going to be an XL, because XLH had a different bar on them. But you can put that on your CH bike if you put a real ignition in it. See, all the stuff looks the same, but see?
Yeah. It's not.
Nope. See, this is getting more like an XLH. See, it's a little bit wider.
Yeah.
More further back. This is more like this is like a TT bar. That's how TT bars are made. You kind of pull back real far, so you can't come sideways. They're right there.
Yeah.
There's your higher up bar. See, all of these are the 67 bike. So there's 3 different handlebars, 3 different offsets. And see, these 2 here look the same. Those 2 are the same. See, this is the other one. That's the odd one out. So these are those ones. So I'd call this an XLH, and these are XL, and these are probably like 69 because I think the earlier bars were a little bit different looking. But they have lots of different bars. You go look in the book. There's lots of different ones. Not just one bar.